Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about Bugatti. Here's a detailed review of the 2025 Bugatti Chiron, officially known as the Bugatti Chiron, a hypercar that redefines performance, engineering, and luxury. Design aesthetic refinement. Exterior styling. Inspired by the classic Type 57's C-Atlantic, with the trademark Bugatti C-line curve. Advanced active aerodynamics integrated into an elegant, flowing body. Features butterfly doors and an exposed central spine structure. Interior craftsmanship. Horology-inspired dashboard with analog watch-style gauges and crystal and titanium. Infotainment screen stays hidden, revealed only when required. Premium materials, aluminum, carbon fiber, titanium, and sapphire glass nanoplastics used. Fixed hub steering wheel, with controls that rotate independently. FY Luxury Redefined. Philosophy: Bugatti aims to create a timeless, mechanical luxury, avoiding digital clutter. Comfort: despite hypercar speed, interior offers superb noise isolation, climate control, and custom tailoring. Exclusivity: only 250 units will be produced. Estimated base price: a negation $3.8 million, $4.1 million USD. Deliveries start in 2026, with orders already open for select clients. FY Section: Technology Engineering Excellence. Chassis: all-new carbon fiber tub, integrating 3D printed structural elements. Battery system: lightweight, high-discharge lithium-ion battery placed centrally for balance. Suspension: fully adaptive with predictive dampening for both track and road. Tires: custom Michelin Pilot Cup 2 are specifically engineered for the Chiron. The comparison with Chiron. Feature: Bugatti Chiron, 2022 825, Bugatti Chiron, 2025. Engine 8.0 liters quad turbo W16 8.3 liters Navi 16 plus hybrid total power 1479 horsepower 1774 horsepower 0 a 100 km per hour 2.4 seconds 2.0 seconds top speed 428 440 km per hour, limited 445 km per hour, estimated. Interior: classic luxury horology grade mechanical refinement hybrid no yes, first in Bugatti road cars. The Pound-I Diaresis Sedilla expert takes. Top Gear: it's a V16 hypercar with the heart of a mechanical watch. Bugatti hasn't just raised the bar, it's moved the bar to another dimension. Car and driver: the Tourbillon's analog core in a digital age is a brave and beautiful statement. Motor trend: it's not a car, it's a rolling sculpture with nearly 1800 horsepower,